Okay, how to calculate the average speed given speeds over multiple distance intervals? This journey is covered with speed V1, V2, V3, V4 are the successive intervals. S1, S2, S3, S4 are the distance intervals. Now, average speed, as you all know, is given by total distance divided by total time taken. What is the total distance? S1 plus S2 plus S3 etc. maybe up to nth term, and the time taken is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 up to nth term. Now, the numerator is known to us, S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 etc. up to nth term. What about the denominator? It is easy. For example, V1 is equal to S1 by T1, that gives us T1 is equal to S1 divided by V1. Likewise, we can get T2, T2, T3, T4 etc. That gives us S1 divided by V1 plus S2 divided by V2 plus S3 divided by V3 etc. up to the nth term. So, this is the average speed over multiple displacement or say distance intervals, over multiple distance intervals. Now, we can also consider it like this: if S1, S2, S3 are all equal to each other, then the average speed turns out to be S1 plus S2 plus S3 etc. up to nth term. So, Sn divided by S into 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3 etc. up to the nth term. And S cancels, leaving this as n divided by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3 etc. This is the average speed. Now, what if we consider 3 intervals and they are equal, that means S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S3. Alternatively, we can say n is equal to 3. So, then we will have this result, one of the important result: average speed is equal to 3 V1 V2 V3 divided by V1 V2 plus V2 V3 plus V3 V1. So, this is our expression for the average speed for 3 equal displacement or distance intervals.